What's up, guys? We're back. Today we got a little project for you. Nothing on my cars. Here we go. My buddy's got a side project going on and he's painting some Mercedes-Benz parts, and my boy Mowgli, and he's got some work to do. Somebody ended up crashing a SL600 AMG, I want to say it is, and gotta paint a fender. Gotta paint this little piece over here, side skirt, and a couple little other things.
That little piece.
This one over here.
Brand new.
Yeah, we'll get back to you with some more stuff once we're done eating. Alright, Mowgli, how are we gonna start this process? What are you doing here?
Scuffing it up. The OEM primer, so that the paint and sealer has something to adhere to. If not, it'll all peel off. So you want to scuff and sand it all nice, even, thorough. Well, I don't have proper racks, so I'm kind of doing it standing up.
And when it comes to paint, guys, your prep is how your paint is going to turn out, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright guys, so when I painted my Miata with Jess, I didn't talk to Mowgli first, unfortunately, and I primered the entire car, which you don't have to do at all. Turns out that you only have to feather it out and primer certain parts if you're painting it the same color. Mowgli, once he's done over here, will give a little explanation because he knows a lot more than I do about the stuff when it comes to painting. So Mowgli, tell me why you don't have to primer an entire piece if you're painting it the same color.
Primer is just like a filler, so you just want to cover the piece that you did your body work on, or if you went through the paint, so it doesn't it'll like peel, kind of.
Yeah.
So you want to just make sure it don't peel, cover everything that's there, and
only really have to touch up the spots that are messed up and
yeah,
not the spots that...
Like there was all chips right here, I feathered them out. Now I'm gonna do a couple coats of primer, probably 3. And then hopefully that'll fill it. If not, I'll just have to put a little putty. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So,
He's got this all scuffed up,
yep,
ready for sealer.
Yep.
That's the next step, right? Sealer?
Sealer, yep. I got finished scuffing the bumper and set that up on a rack or something.
And this is the sealer we're using right here. If it'll focus.
Some of the best stuff.
There it is. Urethane sealer black. And if I'm not mistaken, you use white if you're painting lighter colors, correct?
Yes, that's the value shade for this is black. It's a 6 or a 7, but if it was a lighter color, it would be gray, or if it was like white or silver, it'd probably be a value shade of 1.
Okay. So Mowgli's getting ready for some urethane sealer here. He's just wiping everything down with, what is it exactly?
It's the Speedy Scat Transtar.
There it is, right there.
Your grandfather approved of my dad's wine.
Yeah, so he's just wiping that stuff down right now. And then after that, he's going to be spraying some urethane on everything.
Get everything covered, and then after that is paint.
Alright guys, so we got Mowgli laying a urethane sealer down on everything. Can't really see it on the black part, but you can see it's wet now. Guys, Mogs just got this paint mixed up, and I think he's just getting ready to spray some paint on all this stuff right now. Got it all urethane sealed up. Front bumper. Got the driver side skirt here. Driver fender over here. All dried up. I'm ready for some paint. You ready to lay it down, Mogs, or what?
Almost.
Almost?
Dry a little more. Got the Sada 4000 ready to go. So once this is dry, we spraying our color.
And now for the true and tried moment of real paint. Yeah, let me stand right in the overspray, real smart.
That's the good smell right there. Ooh, licorice.
Let me continue to stand in the overspray for the good shot. That'll be the good one. Money shot, baby. Now, how many coats are you doing, Mowgli?
Start with 3 and go from there because red's very transparent and I might need more coverage, so always do 3, but with red, you gotta be careful if it don't cover, you'll see the sealer do the paint and clear.
Nice job, man. Nice and even. And you get another nice even white spray, just like you do.
I love this gun.
Yeah, it looks like it sprays really nice.
Yeah.
What a beautiful coat. Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, so this is the color we have to match to.
So see how this is still really dark? That's because I only did 1 coat so far and the red is very transparent, so you gotta do multiple coats. Just make sure it covers. I'll do 3 and then, like I said, I might have to do 4 or 5, so.
Alright everyone, second coat. Definitely brighten up to more of a red. Color we're looking for. Mowgli's got his robotic motions going. Alright guys, so as he was painting, somehow the threads came off of the gun and it was still attached in the coupler there and popped off of the paint gun itself.
Yep, that spit up all the dust so it could land in the paint, which, you know, blows, but
Guess what? Life happens.
it happens.
Oh boy. So that just made a lot of wet sanding for us.
Yeah, it might be alright. I just gotta finish that coat on the bumper. I got the bottom corner left.
I gotta plug it back in.
Oh yeah, I got no air.
Let me do that now. Doing what we can with what we got, guys. What can I say? Oh wow, I saw mad paint in the air as soon as I walked in here. Mowgli got everything sprayed down, color. Now it's just time to lay some clear on there. Let me get the part off of the car so you can see what it's supposed to be like with clear. Here we go. Slap that in there. Once there's some clear on there, I think she'll match perfectly.
I just want to say sorry in advance that I don't have a mask for this.
Yes, we're sorry we're not wearing masks while spraying paint and stuff like that. Sorry, guys. We aren't the healthiest of folk.
Alright, so I made...
It tells you right there, 4 to 1 on the side of the thing.
No, I'm saying how much I made of the sealer and how much was left. But that was 1 coat, that was 3. I want the thinner cap on the clear.
I don't know, it smells like 99 bananas to me.
Alright guys, so Mowgli laid down 3 coats of clear, 3 coats of color, and how many coats of urethane did you do?
Just one. Sealer's just 1 coat.
Just 1 coat of sealer, and then 3 of paint, 3 of clear?
Yeah, of course it's dirty because it's a garage paint job, but...
So Mowgli got everything painted, got all the clear coat on everything. Everything's looking mint. So we got the front bumper here and all the parts here. Just want to give you a little rundown, show you how everything looks. Got some wet sanding to do next time he comes over. There we go, focus a little. Got that. We got these little parts. Don't want to show you too much of those, they look mint, but got the fender over here looking good. Couple little dust spots because we're doing a garage paint job, but a little wet sand. What's after wet sanding, Mowgli? A buff and a polish?
Yep. Got wet sand, go up to 5,000 grit, and then use
Going up to 5,000.
Yep.
So 1,500, 2,000, then the 5,000.
3,000, then 5, and then use a heavier compound, and then go with the polish, which is not very gritty at all. And I
Okay.
can't even tell where I did the body work on that.
Yeah, I was about to say, did you do the body work up here on this end?
There was a crease right here. I almost forgot which one I did.
I was about to say, I can't tell which one it is.
I remember this one was the new one because it had both of the things.
Oh,
That one's
okay,
the repaired
okay.
one.
So it was definitely up here somewhere.
Yeah, it was right under the hole somewhere in there. But can't even tell.
Mint. Nice. So next video, guys, we'll probably have a little bit of wet sanding for you guys and show you a buff and polish and how that goes, and we'll go from there. But for now, we're done with the paint, and yeah, that's it for now, and we'll be back. Yes, we're back. It's a new day. Mowgli did a killer job on these things, as you guys can see here. And today, he's going to be doing a little bit of wet sand and getting some of these, focus, getting some of these dust particles out of there that landed in the paint. Got a couple big ones over here. Let's see if I could see them.
Is it fully garbage back focus?
Yeah. But he'll be wet sanding those out and he'll be explaining that, so yeah. So what Mowgli's doing behind me right here is just giving it a wet sand real quick. Getting all the dirt nibs out. First time he ever showed me this, I was so scared because it was a freshly painted Miata, and then it looked like this after. But after a buff and a polish, it gets looking brand new, that's for sure.
I'm doing this in a garage paint job too. it's definitely gonna be dirty no matter what you do. You could wet the floor, you could power wash and whatnot, but
Now if you guys see here, you see all these little spots there, there, pretty much all over it, all those little spots. That's dirt that got in the paint when it was wet, obviously because we're doing this in a dirty garage. But wet sanding it solves that problem.
yeah. I'm gonna try and save some of the orange peel. Get all the dirt nibs out.
And now why are you saving the orange peel?
So it looks more factory.
And it's also protects the paint a little bit, correct? Because
Yeah.
it's a little bit coarse compared to flat
It's
surface.
Not gonna leave all the scratches. It doesn't protect. It's instead of it being flat, when you get like the flat surface, something's gonna slide across it. But with that orange peel, it's factory. It helps it. I don't know how to explain it exactly, but
Don't take his exact words, but roughly along those lines.
yeah, I'm not a professional. I like to think I am.
Alright guys, so Mogs, you hit it with some 1500 sandpaper and wet sanded it, and then after you were done with that, you hit it with 2000, correct?
Yes, 2000. Get the 1500 scratches out. Yeah, go from there.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to keep some content coming to you guys and all that. Got some stuff coming for the Miata soon, just waiting for Njuku to get their shipment of exhaust for the Miata, and gonna be getting a tune soon on the Z still. I forgot to tell you guys, but it doesn't break up anymore. The computers just had to reset and everything, and the next day I drove it to work and everything was all good, so now she's ripping and riding. Feel free to give a like, a comment, a subscribe, and everyone have a good night. See you later.